my channel. So in today's video I'll be doing this very basic summer spring kind of makeup that is like perfect for everyday wear and also for school wear, like schools are back, like back to school makeup kind of thing. So before getting started, so give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It's done below, and also hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video. So that's all, and also follow me on my all social medias. It's in the description box. And let's just jump right into it. So guys, I'm starting off with a primer. This primer is from Lotus and it's really good primer. Step is I am using concealer, and this is a concealer from LA Pro Conceal, and I'm in the shade medium beige, and I'm hiding all of my dark spots and dark circles. Now using a beauty blender to blend out all of the things. Using loose powder to set my face and my concealer so that my concealer don't crease. Not a pro at this, guys, the eyebrow thing. I use a dark brown eyeshadow to fill in my eyebrows, and this is the way I do my eyebrows, and I know it's not perfect. I am using a mascara from Maybelline. I'm using my Baby Lips lip balm as my blush, and it is really pigmented and it gives me amazing blush look. Now I'm using a highlighter, and it is from Maybelline. I am the shade Molten Rose Gold, and this is a perfect highlighter. I think everyone should own this. And sorry guys, I'm using a contour brush for the highlight. I couldn't find my highlighter brush, so sorry for that. Now it's time for the lipstick, and I'm using Loreal Paris Pro Matte Lip Gloss. I'm in the shade Statement Nude, and this is the perfect nude shade.